Hello, welcome to Chapter 8 Business Plans, Seeing Audiences and Your Business Clearly. So, the business plan is one of the most important documents of starting your small business. So, we want to understand why and when to develop it. Plans are done for external legitimacy and/or internal understanding. They're sometimes essential and often linked to improve firm survival. Different audiences seek different goals when reading business plans. The business plan is a story you write about your firm. The story gets told in different ways and lengths, from vision statements to elevator pitches, to executive summaries to full business plans. The business plan gives the complete story of the firm and its major elements. It gives the company's product and service, the market, competition, marketing strategy, organization, and financials. It is a maximum of 18 pages long, with a cover page, 10 pages of text, and up to 7 pages of supporting material. Business plans build from canvases and feasibility analysis that you've already done. A business plan is often modified for special circumstances the firm faces, such as pioneering technology, new markets, established operations, or significant government involvement. Parts of a business plan are often combined to create shorter plans for particular audiences such as investors, partners, or others. All business plans face risks. Part of the role of the business plan is to explain how the firm will handle these risks. The risks come from numbers or assertions that are not adequately explained or supported. Most business plans are presented to others using a pitch deck. Listeners check presentations for the president's or presenter's passion, the expertise, professionalism, and potential as a colleague. So a lot of times you will need a business plan in order to borrow the money you need to start the company. Banks or any financial institutions demand a business plan and see where you project your company going in the future before they agree to lend you money to start the company. So overall, it's a very intricate idea and plan that you need to have your head together before you sit down and do it. It's also very essential. So more on business plans as we carry on.